Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share Twitter profile link. Friends, if you want to share your Twitter profile link with someone, then you need to open X app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now again you need to press on the profile picture. Now here you need to press on the three dots. And here you will find option to share. So press on it. Now here in the bottom you will find option to share. Press on it. Now select the app in which you want to share the Twitter link. Select the person and press on the send button. Now here you can see our Twitter profile link is shared in WhatsApp. So like this you can share it in any app. So like this you can share Twitter profile link. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.